can hear the noise coming from the speaker at the Warlords. And this is because this switch is getting slammed and touched. And you can see me. You can hear the noise. It's pretty annoying after a while. And when it was loud, it was really annoying. This would happen whenever the door would be moved.